हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। जैसा हमने कल 3 स्टॉक सेलेक्ट किए थे और बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी की मूवमेंट के लिए, तो उसमें से हम देखेंगे कितने स्टॉक्स ऐसे थे जिन्होंने टारगेट अचीव किया एंड टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट एसएल हिट हुआ या फिर आपका टारगेट हिट हुआ। सबसे पहले हम जाते हैं आपके बैंक निफ्टी में। बैंक निफ्टी में हम देखते हैं कि मैंने बोला था कि this range can be your possible reversal point, and it happened to be your reversal point from here as well as and from here as well. So यहाँ से आप देखिए at least it fell around more than from, if we consider this as a entry range, then 36,400 to 35,900 almost. So 500 points fall happened. And if we go for India Hotels, our entry point was 191.5, and unfortunately it hit our stop loss that we were having, but it tested. After hitting stop loss, it came down to like near to our level of target 185, but it came to low of 186.3. So it is almost, we can say that 90% of the target has been achieved here as well. Then came Indigo. Our entry was around 1900, and then we achieved like almost more than 70% of our target. 1900 to 1820 was our target, and it came down to 1848. So that's just you can say 30 points away. 60 points move happened, and then next was our PVR. PVR moved brilliantly, and it fell from the trend line that we were expecting. So it from 1446, after making 1446 high, it came to a target of 1370, and then it moved further down to 1330. So, and if you go for Nifty also achieved our target. It was one of the brilliant day, and so this was our reversal zone. First entry was at this point in time, and then second entry in case market reversed to this level. Second entry was at this point in time, and then target was 17,000. And it moved excellently. So for tomorrow we were having target of around 1680.50. So I think it will be pretty achievable, because just 100 points are there, but it may be volatile because here on this day price has moved just suddenly within like 5 minutes, so 5 to 10 minutes. So we can see some volatility over there. We will leave for tomorrow. And today I took the trade of just one, that was over Indigo. In Indigo, what I did, when market moved sudden, like moved up and then came down, so I took half of entry here, half of my desired entity, 1875. Then my next entry was at 1900. So my average price was 1985. And then from there, I was expecting to, in case it breaks out and it stays there, this trend line, but it did not. It took the exact trend line as your resistance, and it came down to my exit point was 1860. So almost I made around 25 points. That's all for trades of the day. So my trade was from, you can say, so 1900 here touch. So I am assuming that at this point of time my average price went down to 85, and then if you take this as your SL, this as a target, so we achieve around 1-on-1 risk reward ratio. But that's good, because you are going with the trend that is happening. not just getting scared of because of sudden up move. That's how you make good trade. Thanks everyone.